Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a left side navigation menu, which is sometimes called navigation drawer. I have it open on my screen. Here it is. And a navigation drawer is a very popular design pattern, and I am sure you have seen it so many times. The way it works is you have a left side menu and you have central view controller, and then you have right side. And when I tap on this button, say when I tap on the button in the top left corner, it reveals the left side navigation menu. And if I tap on the button in the top right corner, it reveals right side. I may have a navigation drawer with left side menu only, and I don't necessarily need right side. And I can also swipe left and right rather than tapping on buttons. So this is how it works. Let's go ahead and create this example. I have a new project open. I'm going to select single view application, click on next, and type my navigation drawer as my project name, and I'm going to use Swift. Next, Swift, create. Okay, my project is created, and I'm going to jump into a main storyboard. I have a view controller created by default, and I'm going to use it as my main central view. I will drag and drop label to remind me about this. So I'll say this is center. And I will actually go ahead and create those two buttons on the left side and on the right side. So for this, I need to embed this view controller into navigation controller. Here we go. And I'm going to my objects library and look for bar button item. So I click, drag and drop, and this one will be for my left side, and I need one for the right side. Now let's create navigation controller for left side and for the right side. I'm going back to my objects library and look for a view controller. This one will be for my left side. Sorry, label. I'm going to put a label and change its text to left side. And I will create one more view controller. And this one will be for our right side. And I will also add the label to it and change its text to right side. This is just to distinguish them between each other. Okay, now for this code to work, we need our center, the view controller at the center does have default view controller created by Xcode, but these two are new. So I'm going to create a left side view controller and right side view controller. So I'm going to my project, new file, iOS source, code touch class, next. Out of this subclass list, I'm going to create a view controller. Choose view controller and say a left side view controller. Next, create. And I need one more for the right side. New file, source code, code touch class, next, right side, view controller, next, create. Okay, I have two view controllers created, and I need to associate my view controllers in the main storyboard with them now. So I'm going to select my view controller responsible for the left side, go to Identity Inspector, and assign it to my newly created custom class, which is left side view controller. I'm going to copy this name and use it for the identity storyboard ID. I like when these two are the same. And I'll do the same thing for my view controller at the right side. I'm going to select my view controller, and from the custom class, from the list, I can actually select from the list and choose right side view controller. I'm going to copy its name and give the same name to my storyboard ID. Right side view controller. Very good. I'm a big fan of code reuse, and I like to collect into my developer toolbox good open source projects which I can quickly reuse in my work to speed up the development process. And one of such ready-to-use open source project is MMDrawerController. I have it open here. It's an open source project we can download and use to speed up the development of navigation drawer. If you tap on this download zip button, download zip, you will download a zip archive with the project source code. The source code is in Objective-C. I have downloaded here. If you double click, it will expand, it will unzip, and if I click here, I have my drawer controller. It's an Objective-C project, but because Swift can communicate with Objective-C just fine, we are going to use it. Okay, so in my project, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new group, and I will call it My Side Menu, and I will open MMDrawerController, go into MMDrawerController folder, select all the files and drag and drop them into My Side Menu folder, which I have just created. Okay, very important here, the destination, click on copy items if needed, then finish. And here Xcode is going to ask, would you like to configure an Objective-C bridging header? Say yes. This is very important. Say, choose yes here. Okay, now we have our Objective-C files of MMDrawerController in our folder, My Side Menu group. Everything is here, very good, and we can start using them. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we need to go to My Navigation Drawer Bridging Header here, and we need to import MMDrawerController. H file, header file. Okay, so now when MMDrawerController is imported, we can go to app-delegate Swift file and work with our did finish launching with option function. Okay, so I have prepared a code which I'm going to use just to speed up this video a little bit. I'm going to paste it here and walk you through how it works. What we're going to do is we're going to connect all the three view controllers that we have on this project into MMDrawerController. And the first thing that we need to do is we need to get hold of our window root controller and the main storyboard. Then one by one, we are going to instantiate view controllers that we have on our storyboard. This is our central view controller, and this is our left side view controller and our right side view controller. We access main storyboard, we instantiate that view controller by using identifiers that we have created, and I'll quickly show you where those identifiers are. So if I go to, for example, this one is, let's choose a left side view controller. I'm going to main storyboard, I'm going to left side view controller. I'll open up my right side panel, go to identity inspector, and this is the identity story ID that we have assigned it, left side view controller. So we use this IDs for the left side and for the right side view controller, and let's make sure we have it for the view controller. No, we don't have it. I'll just put it here. Okay, so all of them have it. Go back to my app delegate. So we instantiate each of the view controllers, and the next thing I need to create navigation controller using this each controller. So for the left side view controller, I'm creating left side navigation controller, and for the central view, I'm creating the central navigation controller, and for the right side view, I'm creating the right navigation controller. And then we are creating an instance of MMDrawerController and supply central, left side, and right side navigation controllers we have just created. If you look at MMDrawerController constructor, it can be created with center and left side only. It can be created with center, left side, and right side, the one which I'm using in this video, or it can be instantiated with the center and the right side only, for example. But I'm going to use all of them, center, left side, and right side in this example. So my drawer controller is not created, so I will quickly create it. Center container, and it's MMDrawerController. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, and then a couple of gesture mode masks that it needs. We want to be able to pan center view to open it and to close it. And then we set our root view controller of our window to this container, MMDrawerController, and everything should work very well. So I'm going to run it quickly and see if everything is okay. Okay, so we have our view controller, which is at the center here. And if I swipe it to the left, I see left side. And if I swipe it to the right, I see right side. Left side, and I swipe it to the right, I see right side. Right side label doesn't fit a little bit, so I'm going to jump there and fix it quickly. And the way I'll do it, I will simply select my view controller and reset constraints to suggested ones, and I think it will fix the issue. Yes. Okay, we're halfway through. Now, I think I did not connect these buttons, so let's do just that. To make these two buttons work, I'm going back to my main storyboard. I will select my view controller and open it in Assistant Editor. For each of these buttons, I want to create an action outlet. So I will select the item. So that will be navigation item on the left. And the way I open this panel quickly, you see this here, this button, the document outline. I tap on it and it gives me the additional panel, and I tap on the navigation item, click on control button, hold it, and drag to my view controller Swift file. Here I select connection action, connection action, and give it a name. I will call it left side button tapped. Okay, and I will do the same thing for my right side. Connection action and the name right side button tapped. Okay, and very good. So now we need to toggle when the left side button tapped, we need to toggle left side navigation, left side view, and when the right side button tapped, we need to toggle right side button. Again, I have a little piece of code created, and I will walk you through the way it works. Okay, what I'm doing is, first of all, we have created the MMDrawerController in our application delegate here. So it's here. And to access it from our view controller, from other view controllers, we need to go all the way to app delegate and basically access it from there. To access your application delegate, you go, you use UI application, then share application, and then you can get the app delegate assigned to your variable. And in the app delegate, we have our sender container created, and that container, which is MMDrawerController, has function toggle drawer side, and that function accepts basically two parameters, and three of them. One of them is it asks you which side you want to toggle. We say MMDrawer side dot left, and then whether we want it animated, I say true, and if we want to run any code on completion, I don't need to run any code, I say nil. And we will do the same thing for the right side button. We go to our app delegate and we access container, but for the right side, I want to I want to toggle the right side. Okay, so this should work. Let me run this example and see if it's actually working. Okay, so I can tap on the left side button and I see my left side panel view controller revealed. I tap on it again to close, and I tap on the right side, and my right side is revealed. Okay, I think this is it for this example. To keep this video short, but I'm going to continue and create video number 2. And in this video, I will enhance this example a little bit. And what I'm going to basically do is I will add table view controller on the left side. I'll add some other labels to make it actually look and work as navigation, left side navigation menu, and I'll add something more on the right side to make it look different. Okay, so I'm going to stop here, and if you're interested, please continue to video number 2.